Traditional manufacturing, difficult to set up but affordable at scale. Additive manufacturing, easy to set up but expensive to scale. What if you could have the best of both worlds? Introducing XiP Pro, the first 3D printer engineered specifically for high throughput, high yield manufacturing. With a massive 19.5-liter build volume and a print speed up to 24 vertical centimeters per hour, you can print full builds in under 2 hours, or thousands of parts in just one day, all powered by patented LSPc technology. With XiP Pro's powerful new light engine and proprietary self-lubricating membrane, you don't have to compromise between speed and part quality. With over 30 validated materials including production resins like XiP, X-Ceramic, and XABS, your printed parts look, feel, and perform just like injection molded parts. And with an open material platform, the possibilities are endless. Whether you need one part or 1,000 parts, XiP Pro's productivity is unmatched. Already the most affordable solution in its class, XiP Pro's industry-leading throughput allows you to do more with less. One XiP Pro can produce the same output as 4 of the next fastest industrial 3D printers. And with the ability to produce parts on demand, rather than holding expensive inventories, you can put your capital back to work. This is productivity redefined. This is XiP Pro.